Okay, guys, we're gonna sing the love story song. I want you to know. Just kidding. Just kidding. Please don't get mad. Just kidding. Joke lang si ate. Joke lang si ate Isabella. Okay, this is the real one na. Promise ko. That you are Romeo, you were throwing pebbles and metallic says, stay away from Juliet. Now I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All this left to do this run. You'll be the princess. I'll be the princess. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. Oh man, I don't the lyrics. Alis ka, makita ka sa video. Isa pa. Isa pa. Ay, ayaw mo matigil. Ikaw ka rin, Lucas. Ayaw mo din matigil. Si Colby naman kasi at saka si Lucas. Mama, si Colby at saka si Lucas. Nagkakanta na nga ako dito. Makita ka sa video. Okay, my two brothers are playing there, Colby and Lucas. And I don't want to show you kasi you will blush. Makikinig ka. You will blush kasi ganun. Ito naman. They're fighting na naman. They're teasing each other. Lucas, Colby, wag kayo mag-away. Kanina pa kayo, 1 hour na nag-aaway pa kayo. Ikaw na nga yung nauna, ikaw yung big brother, ikaw yung 8, ako yung 8, si Colby naman 7. Ha? Ikaw yung older, ikaw yung 9, 8 ka pa lang. Ay, tangkulon ko yung ulo mo. Sige. Colby, huwag kayo mag-away ni Lucas. Don't fight with him. Lucas, don't fight back to Colby is your brother. Okay? Okay, kayong dalawa. I'm watching you. Tinitingnan ko kayo dito. Wag, makita yung video. Oh my God! Ngayon, ay naglalag. Naglalag yung video. Muntik na yun mo na tingnan, guys. Buti pa na nga.